What's up, welding family? Today we're going to be doing some welding. Not just any kind of welding, some stick welding. And yes, this video we will be doing actual welding. So guys, as you guys can see, I'm not going to be showing you this one. I'm just showing you this one, guys. Sorry if that was really loud. Oh, that's sharp. Should be wearing gloves. This, I use a blowtorch to cut. As you guys knew in the other, video, I think I explained a little bit of a blowtorch. No, that's about another video, I think. No, something else to melt the TIG. This, you want to have it at a 90-degree angle. Be comfortable, guys. So, guys, if you want to, what I'm going to be doing in this video, same thing. Have the torch leaning against your hand. It's going to get hot, guys. So, if it gets hot, scoot closer to your hand. Acetylene first. Grab your striker. Light the torch. Then quickly move back. Put it down. Then you want to adjust it so that the feather, which is the 4 holes that blows out, is the feather gets to a comfortable length and everything. And then you control that by the oxygen, which is on top. Now the green is oxygen too in the back by the acetylene, but you don't want to touch that. Leave that alone. The red's acetylene, green's oxygen. Leave green alone. Top, on the other hand, is oxygen too. So you have to control that by controlling your flame. Just to explain this, guys, just in case you don't know how to use a blowtorch. If you're a welder, you do. You more than likely do, guys. But yeah, let's get back into this. You know what? I'll show you guys that in the end. So that you're gonna have to wait to see. So guys, see you to weld.
Now guys, as you just seen, when you guys want to do it, you want to light it like a match. Then go back down, and as the stick is shrinking, you want to slowly go down as it's shrinking, and stay on the path, and just gently go through. Gently go straight. And now, guys, you definitely need a welding helmet. This gets extremely bright. You could get flash burned. But yeah, you need to light it like a match, guys. Go back down. And then slowly go on. And then slowly move back down as well. But yeah.
This kind of rough. Alright, can you hold this? No,
Mom, this is the welder that we're using. It is evil, it burnt me.
You really want to brush it good so it gets all the dust off.
Yeah.
Put elbow grease in it, guys. Might see sparks, but that's normal. Now guys, I'm going to try to show you a C or dime stick weld. So now I'm going to show you that. We have our stick weld. We have to go on to the next.
A dime weld is where it looks like it's overlapping dimes. So that's what we're talking about when we say that.
not much because I was almost out. Here, hold this. I was almost out, guys.
These go by fast and they smell like campfires, so yeah.
This is my first dime weld, so hang on. Oh, that was hot.
Here, guys, this is his weld that he was doing right now. That's the weld right there that he just did. I think it's better than mine. Those are my welds right there. This is the shop we're in. This is the elephant truck. All the soot and stuff that we get gets sucked up into there.
Hey, what's up guys? We are back, and here is the weld. Now, as you guys can see, this is the weld. And right here I did the square. As you guys can remember, I'm trying to fix my camera. Focus. There you go. I did this weld right here. And then it basically had to keep it at a 90 degree. Now if it doesn't want to like clump up at all, you gotta tilt it a little bit. And make sure it clumps up, make sure it melts right. Alright, so that's what it looks like, guys. It's kind of crappy. In the Monroe Community College school program, we've only been doing it for about 3 days so far. But yeah, that's what it looks like. Here is the other side. Now right here, guys, I will be showing you. Okay, I'm trying to get it right. Right angle, there we go. Now this, guys, is the little bit of a small dime weld. Try to get it closer. There we go. Perfect. Now that's the dime weld, guys. Now as you guys can see, I don't know if you guys can see it, there is very little dimes. If you guys can see that. Very little dimes. And now, right there, I tried to do another dime weld. That was my very first dime weld. But I was too far away each time and I messed up. That's one thing you want to do. You want to keep it kind of close, but not too far, not too close. Right here, I was just a little bit too close. If you guys can see that. That's probably one of my best I've done within the 3 days I've been doing stick welding. But guys, that's it for today. If you guys want some more welding videos, remember to like, subscribe down below. Peace.